Welcome to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's really fun video, I'm going to show you how to make Rice Krispie monsters. For today's recipe, I have 3 different colors of candy melts, some Rice Krispie squares, and some little candy eyeballs made by Wilton. For my first step, I'm going to melt all of my candy melts and then I'll be back. Now that all of my candy melts are melted, we are ready to start the process. So now you're simply going to take your Rice Krispie square and just dump it in. Just let all of that drip off. It's good. And then just place it down. We'll do another color. So these candy melts require no tempering. So they will just harden up. If you leave them here long enough, they'll harden up on their own. If you're in a rush, you can place them in the fridge 5 minutes and they'll be very, very solid. And then to finish these off, before they set, you want to just drop a couple of little eyes. So I'll flip this around. I'll just zoom in. Now that I've zoomed in, you can see how cute these are. And the little eyes really bring these little characters to life. If you want to see how to make these little eyeballs at home instead of buying them, I do have another video available, so you can check that out. I'll put a link to it in the description box. So that's it for today's really fast video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're on Facebook, you can check me out, facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. That's it for now, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.